You have been charged with 1 count of serious injury by vehicle, 1 count of reckless driving, and 1 count of violation of the Georgia Spencer Pass law. Lieutenant Wolf, you swear all the information in these affidavits are true, so help you God.
I do.
Okay, sir, I will be able to set a bond for you on these charges. Your bond for serious injury by vehicle will be at $7,600. 1 count of reckless driving, $1,300. And 1 count of violation of the Georgia Spencer Pass law. Your bond will be set at $1,300.
Your Honor, the state would like to add some additional conditions on those bonds whenever we're ready to be heard.
Okay. Do you understand what you have been charged with, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you wish to have a commitment here on these charges?
Your Honor, we're going to waive a commitment hearing today.
Okay, you're going to waive the commitment here. Okay, and what kind of conditions?
Your Honor, we'd ask that he not be allowed to drive, that he be placed under house arrest with a GPS locator, only to be allowed to go to school or to any religious service.
Did you say GPS?
Mm-hmm. Yes, Judge. That way we can monitor the house arrest.
As far as the GPS, Your Honor, I mean, the client turned himself in today voluntarily. He's worked with the police throughout this. He hasn't shown any propensity to go against what is requested of him. I think the house arrest in this case would be sufficient. We would ask that the court not put a GPS locator on him unless he shows at some point in time he can't be trusted to abide by what the court has requested.
So, the defendant,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so he's in transit every day, so that way we would, the locator would just allow us to know where he is.
So in other words, you want to limit his whereabouts, where he is.
Right, that's why we're asking for the house arrest, and that way the GPS unit will let us know. I mean, we'll obviously get his schedule. We don't want, I mean, we're not trying to reduce his going to class.
Okay.
That's why we're asking for allowing for school and any religious service that he goes to.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Al-Shroof, if you wish to waive your right for a commitment here, I need for you to sign this waiver. You will be placed under special condition orders where you're not to be able to drive unless you're going to school, like you said, religious purposes or the church.
Yeah. We don't want him to drive at all, Judge.
Okay, not at all. You're not to drive at all, so in other words, you want someone to transfer.
Right. We don't mind somebody taking him to school, and we don't mind somebody taking him to religious services, but we do not believe he should be driving, period.
Okay, now, sir, you're not to drive. Do you understand? Until the time of your hearing, and you are required to wear what they call a GPS so they can keep up with your whereabouts. Do you understand those charges?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. I need for you to sign the conditions for me. Okay, anything else?
He'll get the GPS set up before he's released. I think booking, or they know how to do that. Okay. Their companies that do it. All right. I believe that's all we have. They would be excused.
Yes. Okay, thank you.